That the burning issue of Tripura, or in daily news, we all are used to with the news of 10,323 teachers. Due to certain technical faults, or maybe the faults of any government proceedings, in one way or the other, today the families of 10,323 families are going through a lot of traumas. In spite of that, we have been approaching the Supreme Court as well. Many a times, even here with me, I have the main petitioner who have filed demanding justice on behalf of 10,323 teachers. Eventually, there was a positive, we can consider it as a positive sign of judgment, wherein in the judgment para number 18, it categorically states that these teachers will be given alternative jobs. They will be rehabilitated either in alternative jobs, or they will be given a tenure of nearly till 2023. If they can fulfill their requisite qualification, they can be accommodated in the teaching department again. So, by and by, all the families of these 10,023 teachers, along with all the families today, are helplessly waiting from the government side the response on whether the government will implement this judgment or not. Therefore, today the judgment was already more than a month, and after a month, due to our helplessness, we tried expressing our grievances in many ways, through social media or through print media, electronic media. We have been trying to voice our grievances, but till today I don't know why is this government still silent, and till today no action or no response from the government side we have been receiving. Therefore, we have started to hold a peaceful, I repeat, peaceful sitting demonstration at Kumulu. They will be starting from tomorrow, that is 10th September 2020, from 10 AM onwards. We are all aware of the pandemic situation that occurs in the whole universe, but in spite of that, our demonstration would be a peaceful one. We will be requesting the government to say or to give some statement on our behalf, so that 10,023 teachers would get back their livelihood, because we all are aware again that there are many teachers who have expired after the trauma of their uncertainties of their job. Many teachers have expired, and nearly number will be increasing by leaps and bounds. We are all aware. If the government doesn't say anything, our demonstration, peaceful sitting demonstration, would get further, it would go to a large extent. So this is not a warning to our government, but our request to our government to say something or to give a statement on behalf of 10,323 teachers. Thank you.
Sir,
my name Gautam Debbarma, one of the petitioner in Supreme Court.